Gonna say because that's
So
kinda,
it's y'all two.
kind of nasty.
Toothpaste
Power right
or
in
what?
And where?
Toothpaste or berry blue?
Toothpaste
No.
or berry blue?
Back up. Take that out.
Good luck on having.
This episode was
Blue
sponsored by
actually-
Pokey Bears. No, I'm just kidding.
Berry
No
blue
kidding.
actually doesn't taste good. It
5.
doesn't taste like.
Wait, I'm gonna
bad,
count
but it
down.
doesn't taste good.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chow down.
Chow down.
I did it.
Have fun with your toothpaste.
Colgate.
You got toothpaste too?
It's not
Wait,
bad.
Bogo toothpaste?
Smells like a man.
Better than
That
barf.
sucks. Bogo got toothpaste.
Look, smells like.
You want it?
Mine's barf.
I'm gonna eat it. It's a mint.
Mine smells like barf too.
It's like a mint.
Get away from me, Mark.
Well, I don't know. What is it supposed to taste like? The other one.
Berry blue?
Well, how can
Like
you
a
tell the
blueberry?
difference between berry blue and Colgate? It's the same thing.
No, it's not. Blueberry.
It tastes like
Look.
mint.
Has a minty taste to it.
I have the.
I had the mint one too.
Yeah, but berry blue doesn't taste
So it's
good.
toothpaste.
It doesn't taste like barf.